Good morning everyone. So welcome for today's vlog. So when I wake up early in the morning, so I did this meditation and the frontage po ng ating resort. So at this part po, ito po yung naging panahon after po ng napakalakas na bagyo. Nakita nyo naman po, nililipad tayo sa lakas ng hangin ng bagyong Christine. Pero after that, ito po yung magandang panahon na nakita natin after ng typhoon. So after siguro 1 week before pa tayo nag-start ng spearfishing again and also underwater photography, which is makikita natin later sa mga video and abangan po natin. We'll show you po the video na nakatch tayo ng fish, and then this one nakakita tayo ng malaking balat pero hindi po natin kinuha, binalik po natin kasi nga hindi na po natin kinakaya dito, and then oversize po. At this time dito tayo sa paboritong spot natin. So 8 meters po yung malaking bato na sinisig kong ito. So dumapa po tayo, tinago yung katawan, then we call the fish by using a grouper call, and then lumapit naman po. And boom! Ayun, tinamaan. Play po natin. Actually, marami-rami naman po tayong huli for today. So, nasa 1 kilo at kalahati po ang timbang ng isdang yan. So, thanks God for the blessings. Hindi na po tayo nakapag-video sa ibang catch fish natin. Gawa na nakalimutan ko po na may GoPro pala akong dala. Ang gamit po pala nating pana dito is 80 cm dual rubber po siya. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Keep in touch lang po and we will upload for the next video. Thank you so much.